Hello, how you doing? Look, we're going to make this beef stew today. Beef tomato stew. It's got a kind of Middle Eastern Arab vibe to it. It's got nice little spices in it. It's delicious. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. Okay, so in that bowl I've got some beef. There's no bone in there, a little bit of fat, chunky cut. There's about 800 grams. We're going to add to it some spices. Let's take a look. So we've got a teaspoon each of salt and pepper, thyme and chili powder. There's 2 teaspoons of coriander powder, and then 3 or 4 green cardamom, 3 or 4 cloves. In they go. To that we're going to add a tablespoon of chopped garlic, 1 cup of sliced onion, and then some olive oil in there to bring it together. I'm going to give that a mix. We're going to go to the cooker. So in a dry pan, we can take our beef mixture. We can just drop that all in. We're going to go on a medium heat only for about 8 to 9 minutes. Be giving it a stir every now and then. So I'm now going to do this process where I'm going to add water, or you could use like a stock or something if you want. There's 500 ml there. And we're going to bring this to a boil and let it dry out. So it's going to take probably about 15 or 20 minutes. Now, if you've got a really beautiful cut of beef, you won't need to do this, but that's a stewing type beef. It's a little bit tough. So this process is really going to help it become tender. So just leave it, no lid, let it steam out. Beautiful. Okay, so we can see that the water has evaporated out, and it's really, you don't have to get it completely dry, but it's really helped the beef on its way. We're now going to add 1 cup of tomato paste. So in that goes. And really want to work this tomato paste in and cook it really well. So we're going to go for another sort of 6 or 7 minutes, stirring every now and then. Beautiful stuff this is. Yeah, really important I find to cook this tomato paste out, you know. Don't rush this step. We're now going to add some more liquid. Again, I'm going with water, but you could use stock. I've got 400 ml here. In it goes. We're going to go on a simmer, 30 minutes, give it a stir every now and then. And as you can see, that's reduced down a little bit. It's absolutely delicious. I've just checked it, it's nice and tender. If it's not tender for you, keep going. You might want to add a little bit more water in there. Optional, I like to do is just at the end, a couple of fresh green chilies and a little bit of chopped cilantro or coriander. Check it for salt. Beautiful stuff. Little mix. I'll see you at the table. A beautiful, deep tomato beef stew with a kind of Arab Middle Eastern style twist to it. Fantastic with rice. I hope you enjoy that. Keep safe. Keep well. I'll see you soon. Lots of love. Thanks a lot for getting to the end of the video. If you'd like to give me a thumbs up, that does help us out quite a lot with the algorithm and such like. Subscribe if you like, you'll get notified about what we're doing. There's a thanks button if you want to donate. See you soon.